Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Value Charts, and this is the free video for Monday, October 26, 2015. The trading in the markets have been very range-bound today. Lots of times markets are barely moving, they're consolidating, they're just hanging out basically. And the main reason is I know we have earnings tomorrow and Wednesday and the rest of the week, but we also have the FOMC meeting for October starting tomorrow morning. We also have the FOMC meeting announcement on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. So the markets probably don't want to do too much, and that's easily reflected in the ES today. You can see that basically we're very range bound, and this structure again is outlined in the Everyday Profits workshop. The Everyday Profits workshop outlines the price structure, the timing structure, and basically provides a framework from which the markets move on a consistent basis. So I've gone ahead and put the link up here for Everyday Profits. You can see that the ES, after the opening range is formed, we'd actually make a small move lower, and then from the high to the low, make a very nice 618 retracement. Now, once you come into the opening range low like you do here, you see it creates a support level. And off this support level, we get a very nice double bottom bullish divergence that you can play off of, and then you capture a nice move to halfway back, which is the middle of the opening range, and then a consolidation. And then after the consolidation here in the middle of the opening range, we actually get a pullback, and our pullback is right to the bottom of the opening range. That's very typical of how price moves within the structure of the opening range. That pullback, and then we find a bottom. We go where? Back to the middle of the opening range. It consolidates a little bit, and then where do we go? We go to the top of the opening range. And then after that we consolidate there, we pull back. Where do we pull back to? Again, after we hit the top there, we pull back where to? The middle of the opening range. Again, that is a very consistent way to trade because we have a framework. We can see that as we move from one spot to one level to the other, the next level is the next target. We just have to watch momentum. We know that if we break, we'll continue to the next level. If we reverse because momentum starts to fall short, it'll go back to the previous level, and so on and so forth. So we always know which direction and how far the index will move. You can trade the indices, you can trade the individual stocks the same way. So again, Everyday Profits usually gives you a very clear and defined framework, and this is just the morning. We have the same process for the afternoon that's outlined in the Everyday Profits workshop. It's on demand, so you can get it anytime you want, watch it as many times as you want, and take advantage of movements in the markets. Okay? Thank you very much.